Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Purus Trading Academy. Today we'll be seeing a very interesting topic, how exactly stock market works over a period of 4 decades. Most of us know that the stock market will give substantial returns over a period of time. But the dark reality is it will give returns, but over a naked eyes we cannot see the returns. Today I have taken an example of Wipro stock. Let's begin with Wipro stock. This is the monthly chart of an Wipro stock. Most of us know that the Wipro stock. This is an Indian IT stock. It started in the year 1971, but this is the trading view terminal. Here we can able to see since 1996 the data is present. This is monthly chart. You can see the starting price of the Wipro showing around 3 rupees. Then it shot up around 5500%. Later it fell down like anything due to the various financial crises. And again during Corona period the stock was fell like anything. It was fell around 40-45%. This is how the stock market works. The later the bull run came into picture, so that the stock shot up again around 380%. Now this is how the stock market works. But most of the time the people, they are very reluctant to invest into the stock market. They used to blame the stock market. No, always will lose the money. But the truth of the stock market is not. This is exactly how the stock market gave a substantial return over a period of time. By looking into this, we can see by 1996 only, if we take the stock price around 3 rupees, 35 paise, just look at it, gave around 21,628%. Imagine it gave almost 216 times. For example, if you would have invested around 100 rupees into the stock market, especially in the Wipro stock, 216.28 times the value. But the value we cannot see on the chart. Let's begin with how exactly the return came into picture. If I move on to 1 day time frame, we can able to see here there are earning report, dividends at regular intervals, they are presented over here. But some of the other data also recorded in the trading view. You can see during 2019, we can see the stock split around 4:3. Means if we are having 3 stock, they are splitting into 4 numbers. Likewise, the different time they made stock split. Here they made 1 stock into 2. Means by making into this, if you are having 1 stock, then after doing splitting, you will get 2 stock into your trading terminal. Now this is how the stock split works. But the reality of the stock price based on stock split, bonus and dividend. Let's begin with first part of the today's stock would be bonus. How exactly the bonus they have given at different time. Here the bonus, the recordings or history is available from the Money Control website. Here in the year 1971, if you are having 1 stock, then the bonus would be 3. Means 1 stock they are making into 3. Means if you are having 1 stock in your trading account, you will get 3 stocks extra. Then similarly in 1981, 1 stock become 2. Means if you are having 1, you will get 2. Means Likewise, we are having different time intervals. They have provided the stock bonuses like this. Recently, in the year 2019, they gave the bonus of one stock into 3. But here, if you see, we are not going to get anything about the stock, how exactly the bonus or total number of stocks right now we would have invested in the year 1971. That part of the bonus and split and dividend part I would like to talk to in the next part of the explanation. Next, we'll begin with the dividend and the stock split. We'll see about the stock split. Stock split in the sense I already explained you at different time frame they made a stock split. Now these are all the stock split. In the year 2004 they made stock split of 1:3. Means if you are having one stock they are splitting into 3. In the year 2005 again they are splitting into one stock into 2. Then in the 2010 they made 3 stock into 5. Then 2013 they made 1000 stock into 1121. Then similarly in the year 2017 they made stock split of 1:2. Now similarly after the stock split we'll be getting the bonus additionally at a different time frame. The bonus we are observing the dividends at different intervals. In 1982 they have given dividend of 2.5 rupees, then 96 2.5, like that, so on. At different intervals they had given the dividends, interim dividends, final dividends, all the dividends they have given. Likewise, we will be getting to know that the stock dividend of so on. Now we'll be seeing the consolidated report of stock if you have invested around 100 rupees during the stock. Now let's begin with the understanding about the stock, how exactly it performed over a period of time. For example, if you have asked somebody, please explain me if I invest 100 rupees in the Wipro stock during 1996, then someone easily can tell by considering 3.35 rupees. They can use easily they can explain the total the current value of the stock by using this calculation. Let's begin with that calculation. Here, for example, if you are investing around 100 rupees, imagine if you are investing around 100 rupees, the stock price is trading at that time the stock price trading was around 3.35 rupees. Now we will going to see the calculation part of it. We will going to see the calculation of it. For example, if you are having 100 divided by 3.35, correct? If you have invested 100, you will get, imagine, total number of stocks we are getting around 29. Let's take 30. Means 30. Imagine today's price of the stock around 440 rupees. Imagine the 30 into 444. Imagine 444. It will show as 13,320 rupees. Means our 100 rupees turned into 13,320 rupees. Now this is what the every retailers or every investor can. Just like that, if you see the historical chart, we can able to understand only this much. But the actual reality of the stock market is not this. Any investment, it not only give the returns or a price, it will consider also the bonus, stock split, and the dividend. Now that's how the stock market works. Now let's see how exactly this has performed. Can you guess it? How much money you would have get it if you would have invested 100 rupees during 1971? Now we will see about that. How exactly the 100 rupees turned into how much? We observe the consolidated the report of the Wipro stock over a period of time between 1980s to 2019. This calculation is done by Stock Pro team. Now, if you see the price of one share of Wipro during 1980s, it was around 120 to 150 rupees. Now, the one share in 1980s turned into 2,56,000 shares. This particular number of shares we cannot able to see on any kind of charts. This is how the stock market works. In 1981, the bonus of 1:1, the one stock become 2. Then in the 1985, 2 stock become 4. Then they made it split 1:10, means one number they made into 10, so that 4 becomes 40. Then the bonus again 1:1, 80. Then 1989 they made 1:1, 160. Then so on, bonus again 320. Then 640. Then 1:2 they made it bonus again 1920, means for every one stock they given 2 extra bonus stocks. Then again they made it a stock split 1:5, so that this become divided by into 5, so that this become 9,600. Then again they gave bonus one stock into 2, then it become 28,800. Then again bonus in the year 2005 they have given 1:1, 57,600. Then again in the year 2010, 96,000. Then 2017, 1,92,000. Then 2019, 2,56,000. Just imagine if you would have purchased one Wipro stock between 120 to 150 rupees in 1980s. If you would have invested this much of money, that money into current market price, that will turn into 13 crore 92 lakhs. Now this is an exorbitant returns over 40 years. This is how the stock market works. These kind of returns, these kind of the potential opportunities, we never ever can see over any trading view or any kind of charts. Now this is what the stock market. I hope everyone got understood about how exactly the Wipro stock performed over a period of 40 years. Instead of 100 rupees, if you would have invested around 1000 rupees, just imagine 10 times of this return, means almost 139 crores. If you would have invested 10,000 rupees, 100 times of this, definitely 1,392 crores. Just imagine, now 10,000 at the time, the many people they did not had. But if someone would have by force, if they would have invested by the time, definitely they would have richer than anybody else today. Now this is how the stock market works. In the next video, I'll be taking one more very interesting stock to explain how exactly it performed over a period of time. By this, I am signing off today. Thank you everyone for your patience listening. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for regular notification like today. Thank you all.